Hello everyone. When we talk about hair cutting, we should know about how we part the hair in few parts that helps us to cut the hair better. We usually divide the hair in 4 parts. The first part comes from apex to corner of eyebrow, again from apex to the other corner of eyebrow. So from one corner to other corner, this one gonna be our first part or first section. We clip it up. The second part is always from again apex to behind the ear, so this is gonna be our second part, and again clip it away. The third part gonna be from apex again to the another ear. Find behind the ear, and from apex make a line to behind the ear and clip it away. And then whatever is in the back between this ear to the other ear, from apex to the neckline, is gonna be the 4 parts. So we always, for every haircut, we need to know how to part the hair in 4. The first one between 2 eyebrow, from apex to between 2 eyebrow, one side, second side, and the back. So we always need to part the hair in 4 parts. Thank you for watching. In my next video, I'm gonna show you how to use these parts for hair cutting.